This video discusses the theory and concepts behind creating functions using the Python programming language. A function is a group of statements that exist within a program for the purpose of performing a specific task. Most programs perform tasks that are large enough to be broken down into several subtasks. For this reason, programmers usually break down their programs into small, manageable pieces known as functions. Instead of writing a large program as one long sequence of statements, it can be written as several small functions or subtasks, each one performing a specific part of the overall task. These small functions can be executed in the desired order to perform the overall task. And in your textbook, the one we're currently using, Gaddis, and in this case it happens to be 2023, it talks about different names to identify the concept of functions. Sometimes it's called a subtask. That function may be called a subprogram, a routine, a subroutine, procedures, modules, macros, and when we use object-oriented event programming, or OOP, it may be called a method. So in a nutshell, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different words or statements that we use to reference what we call a function. The approach to breaking up a larger program into smaller programs that are more manageable is called divide and conquer, because a large task is divided into several small subtasks that are easily performed. For example, if I have a payroll program in the real world, it's going to be broken down into several subtasks, such as a subtask or program to get the employee's hourly rate, a subtask to get the number of hours that the employee worked, a subtask to calculate the employee's gross pay, a subtask to calculate the overall overtime pay, a subtask to calculate the withholdings for taxes and benefits, a subtask to calculate the net pay, and a subtask to print the checks. What we do sometimes is we use what they call a hypochart. Sometimes you might see HIPO. One of the design tools we use to show that we've broken up a program into subtasks is that we use these rectangular blocks called the hierarchical input-output processing kind of a chart. And as you can see, we have the main module, but within that main module you have all these subtasks. The main payroll program, and then we have one, get the employee's hourly pay rate, get the number of hours worked, that's another subtask, calculating the employee's gross pay, calculating the overtime pay, calculating the withholdings for the taxes and benefits, calculating the net pay, and printing the checks. So these little rectangular blocks that we break up into these manageable pieces, it sort of shows the precedence or the hierarchy. The top one is the main program, but within the main program we're calling these little subtasks. So you can really look at this as a design tool. This is one of the design tools that we use when we're working with huge programs in the workforce, the major workforce. We use Visio or Lucidchart or some other tools to help us kind of outline what we're going to do in terms of the design phase of solving a problem. So we're going to show you using Python how to create a function, a main function program as it pertains to the miles per gallon, and then we're going to show how we calculate the miles per gallon.